Welcome to Drawn to Health, your go-to place for simple, engaging explanations of the human body and health. From how your brain thinks to how your heart beats, we break it all down with easy-to-follow visuals and expert insights. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey into the human body, specifically the brain and spinal cord. These two parts make up what we call the central nervous system, or CNS for short. Think of them as the command center of your body, controlling everything you do, moving, thinking, feeling, and even breathing. Your body's supercomputer. Let's start with the brain. Your brain is like a supercomputer, constantly processing information and sending signals throughout your body. It's made up of billions of nerve cells, called neurons, which communicate through electrical and chemical signals. The brain has different parts, each with specific functions. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and controls voluntary movements, emotions, speech, problem-solving, and memory. It's divided into two halves called hemispheres. Cerebellum. Found at the back of the brain, this helps with coordination and balance. Ever wonder how you can ride a bike or walk without falling? Thank your cerebellum. Brainstem. This connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. You don't have to think about breathing, it just happens, thanks to the brainstem. The spinal cord, the body's information highway. Now, let's move on to the spinal cord. If the brain is the control center, the spinal cord is the highway that carries messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of your body. It runs from the base of the brain down your back, protected by the vertebrae of your spine. The spinal cord is packed with nerves that control movement and sensation. If you touch something hot, the nerves in your fingers send a message to your brain via the spinal cord, telling you to pull away before you even realize it. The brain and spinal cord work together seamlessly. Imagine you want to pick up a glass of water. Your brain sends a signal through the spinal cord to your hand muscles, telling them to move. At the same time, your spinal cord sends messages back to your brain about how heavy the glass is and whether you need to adjust your grip. The CNS is vital for everything we do. Damage to the brain, like in a stroke or concussion, can affect movement, speech, and memory. Injuries to the spinal cord can lead to paralysis. That's why protecting your head with a helmet and taking care of your spine with good posture are so important. In summary, the brain and spinal cord form the command center of your body. The brain processes information and makes decisions, while the spinal cord carries messages between the brain and body. They work together to help you move, think, and experience the world around you. Thanks for joining me on this short journey into the human body. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching this Drawn to Health video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy-to-understand health content. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay active, and stay healthy.